Class, today I'm going to be reading you the book Baa Black Sheep. Now, I want you to think, what does the title, that's the name of the book, what does the title tell you about what the book is going to be about? I want you to think about that. This book is actually based on a nursery rhyme, and it's a nursery rhyme that I'm sure that you have heard. I am really excited to find out what the sheep is doing with all of this yarn. I'm wondering if maybe she's gonna make something, right? Because that's what I do when I have yarn, or that's what my friend does when she has yarn. So I'm wondering what she's going to be doing with that, and maybe that's part of our story. Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. I'm gonna move my computer so that you can see this a little better. There we go. Baa Black Sheep, have you any milk? Creamy, cold, and smooth as silk. We spilled our milk. Now what will we do? Please fill our cups and we'll purr for you. And I want you to listen for the rhyming words in this book. For nursery rhymes, a big part of them is their rhyming words, thus the name nursery rhymes. So listen for those rhyming words and see if you can pick them out. Goodness, no, my shelves are very bare. No, sir, none is there. So I'm going to pull this book up really close. Do you see how those cats are feeling? Look at their faces. How do they feel about that sheep not having any milk for them? Baa Black Sheep, have you any slop? This is the pig. I've just finished my last drop. I'll waste away if I don't eat soon. 1 nibble ought to hold me till noon. I wonder if she has anything for the pig. Silly pig, there is no slop in sight. No, sir, not one bite. I want you to look at this pig's face. How is he feeling? Does he feel the same way as the cats? And how do you know? What clues let you know how he's feeling? Looks like that she's making something. Baa Black Sheep, have you any hay? Name your price and I will pay. I'd like to buy 2 bales, maybe 3. I'll get the money, just wait and see. No, I don't have any hay for sale. No, sir, not one bale. Baa Black Sheep, have you any bones? How my hungry belly groans. Dogs cannot live on dry food alone. Oh, won't you please just toss me a bone? Now, I have a question. At the very beginning of this book, when the people asked the sheep for wool, she said that she had lots of wool. But now she doesn't have anything for the animals. I wonder why. And why do you think these animals are upset at the sheep? Heavens, no. I have no bones for you. No, sir, none to chew. Baa Black Sheep, have you any seed? What's the bird? Kindly help a friend in need. Early this morning, squirrels came by, knocked down my feeder, and ate my supply. No, I don't have any seed, my dear. No, sir, none in here. Baa Black Sheep, have you any cheese? May I have some, pretty please? Crackers taste yucky after a while. A hunk of Swiss would sure make me smile. And look, this is the little mouse that's talking. He would like some cheese. No, I don't have any cheese of any kind. No, sir, none you'll find. Some kind find. Baa Black Sheep, won't you tell us why? And look at how all the animals are here to talk to that sheep. No is always your reply. A little kindness you've never shown. Too mean to give a poor dog a bone? Knit all day is all you ever do. Boo, boo, black sheep, shame on you. What should the animals say or do? What should the sheep say or do to the animals who are angry? If you were the sheep and you had all of these angry animals come to your house, what would you do? What would you say to them to maybe try and help them feel better? That's something to think about, right? That sounds like a problem to me. Let's see how they fix it. Baa Black Sheep. What a great surprise! We cannot believe our eyes. We all assumed that you didn't care, that you were selfish and wouldn't share. But now we see, and wow, are we impressed. You gave us that which you give best. So look, she made them all sorts of knitted things. Now, it's important to know that yarn comes actually from sheep's wool. So she must have used her wool, and she must have had it wound into yarn, and then she made all these animals special presents. And look at them. Look at this pig who was once so mad. He's not mad anymore. How is he feeling? Look, all the animals are, oh, look, he's feeling really maybe surprised. And he's feeling really happy. They're all feeling really happy. So look at these cute animals now. How do the animals feel about the sheep now? They feel a lot different now than they did at the beginning of the story, don't they? Why do you think that their feelings changed? Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. When we have something special to give, we'll share with friends as long as we live. Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. And then look, all these animals brought her something special to show her that they appreciated her. And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed this book.